Hey fellow Mayas, how are we all doing? Oh, training's almost up. That's exciting, isn't it? So we have a few more steps to go, and one of them is WordPress. A few of you have asked me how to set up a WordPress account. So we go ahead, and I'm going to get this done as quick as possible so that you're not listening to me talk about this for ages and ages and ages. So we're going to just go right into it. We go to wordpress.com, and then we go ahead and straight away click Get Started. Big orange button. It's first going to ask us for an email address. And then a username. It will automatically suggest a username for us, but I'm going to change this and call it Sean Atkinson 3. We have to then choose a password, which I'm going to hide. And now we can see our blog address. We can change the blog address right here. So if I want it to be SeanAtkinson3.wordpress.com, I can have that. It is available, and you get the 3 check marks. After you've got the 3 check marks, go down to the bottom. You don't need to pay for premium or business. Just go with a free basic. Click sign up. You then have to go ahead and verify your email address. So we'll go ahead and do that, and you get an email that looks like this. After we've done this, after we've got this email, click activate blog. Once we've activated our account, we will be presented with this screen. Blog title, tagline. You can put the Myaa Credo in here. Yeah, Credo. And you can change your blog title. And click next step. Now we get to choose a template, but I'm not going to show you how to do any of the major tweaking or site setup steps right now because I want to show you how to update it for the future. So we're just going to skip these steps for now and click finish. Now we have our new blog. If we go back to our email address, you will receive another email that will look just like this one. On this email address, it gives you your blog URL. Copy this blog URL, paste it into your search engine, sorry, your browser, and type in /WP-ADMIN. So your blog /WP-ADMIN. Press enter. You will now be taken straight to your WordPress dashboard where you can do so many more functions. The reason we didn't put our initial blog in our setup was simply because you will not be able to get back to that page to update. As far as I know, I could be wrong. To add a post, we click post and click add new. So in this post I'm going to call it This is a Post. This is the content of the post. Okay, so now we have our first blog. We're going to click publish. To have a look at your blog at any time, go ahead and go to this URL, your blog URL, and have a look. As you can see, this is a post. This is where the content will be posted. Now I've decided I don't like the look of this. What do? I need to go ahead and click back on my browser, on my admin panel, and go down to appearance. There's tons of free and premium templates for you to choose from, but we of course are just going to want to choose a free one. I would like one that I can show my picture, so I'm going to use this one, publish, and I'm going to activate. You can use whichever one you think is best. And now I'm going to click customize. In the customization panel, you can see that this is where my little icon is going to be shown. This is where my post title is going to be. You may have also noticed that there is an About Us page. The reason WordPress is different from other site builders is because a page and a post are two very different things. A post will always display on your home page unless you choose not to have your home page lead directly to your posts. There is a way to change that. And the way you change that is by clicking Customize and clicking Static Front Page. Your latest post will be displayed as your front page at the moment, but you can choose a static page as long as you have one created, and I could change it to the About, but I'm much happier leaving it as displaying my posts. So I'm going to click Save and Publish, and then just click back on my browser. And because it's an About Us page, I want to edit that particular page. So, of course, I go to Pages. You can add more pages if you like. Click this About Us page, and we're going to change this default text to "This is about me and this blog." And we're going to update it. If you'd like to have a link that leads outside of your blog, say if you would like to go to Myaa.com from your blog, you can go down to Appearance and then Menus. I had to think about that one there. And name your menu. So I'm going to call this Custom Menu. And I'm going to create it. Of course I want to add my About Us page to this menu, so I'm going to click on the About Us check mark and click Add to Menu. I'm also going to add Myaa to it. So I now have my two menus. Now, not all themes will support this, so make sure if you're going to use this, you do have some understanding if the theme reads from custom menus or not. Most 9 out of 10 WordPress themes these days do, so you can go ahead and try it. And remember, you can switch your theme at any time with WordPress. So we go ahead and click Save Menu, and it will override our default one. If we click Refresh here, you'll see our new theme and our custom menu. Or not. The reason for this is because I didn't enable it. So we need to go back to Appearance and click on Themes and click Customize. We now need to go down to Layout, Navigation. Select our primary menu, Custom Menu. Save and Publish. You will now see that my custom menu has taken place. I'm not happy with this little profile picture that it has me set as. To change this, there's two options. You can go ahead and change it in the front end via this, or you can go back to your management, click on Users, click your name, and change your picture. It actually says change your gravatar. And we want to upload a new image from the computer. Choose. I'm going to go ahead and choose my Myaa picture and click Next. Now that my image is uploaded, it will give me a preview, and I can crop this to the point where it will choose a small preview, and if I move them around, you can see my small preview and large preview in the bottom. Sorry, to the right. Click Crop and Finish. And now you have to rate your picture. G-rated, PG, R, and X-rated. Now this should always be a G-rated image. It is for your work. It is professional WordPress. So we're going to go ahead and click G-rate. And now we're going to just close this window. After we have uploaded our image, we need to go down to the bottom and click Update Profile. It says Profile Saved. So we can now refresh our website and we should see our new profile. Now guys, there's no limits to WordPress. We can go ahead and add 1 million posts every single day if we like. So I'm going to just make a test page and I'll show you pretty much how that works. My test page now has, my WordPress page now has my test and this post. I also have my About Us page, which I can click, and it will have This is about me and this blog. And I also have my Myaa home page. We can customize anything on WordPress. So say for example I don't like this white background. I'm going to go back to the Appearance and click on Themes and Customize, and I'm going to go down to Background Images, Colors, select a color. I'd like this one to be let's say green. So we've now got green and we're going to click Save and Publish. After we click Save and Publish, that change is live and it is active. If you have any questions, please email me. It is s.atco@yahoo.com, and I'm sure most of you by now have my Facebook and /or my Skype. So please get in touch if you run into any problems, want any more suggestions or tips. and good luck!